Hello and welcome to the summer course Programming in Python. Over the next couple of weeks, we will be working together trying to learn how to program in Python. And we do not assume that you know any prior programming. We will start from scratch. But please be aware that the course is given at 100% speed, so you are highly recommended to either make your own plan for how to study or to follow the suggested plan that you can find in our course area in Canvas. The course is designed to be as flexible as possible for you as a student, and for this reason we do not have any fixed scheduled activities. Instead, you should be working on the material provided in your own pace and according to your study plan. The easiest way to work with the course is to start from the top of the modules page and then work your way down. Then you will get everything in the correct order. If you have any questions throughout the course, you are of course more than welcome to discuss your questions with other students taking the course. For example, using our discussion forum, or if you want to start a Discord server or something like that. But you are also more than welcome to send your questions my way, either via messages on Canvas, or if you want to send me an email, that is okay too. And one more time, welcome to the course, and I hope you will find both programming in Python and the course a lot of fun.